Hey guys, it's Bill Wilkins at the Oak Creek Home Center here in Abilene, Texas. We just brought in a new home today and I thought I'd give you a look at it real quick. I apologize for the wind noise out here. It's a little bit breezy, but I did want to show you around and let you take a look at the baguette. I know a lot of times we feature larger homes that can be really a lot of square footage. And sometimes you just don't need that much square foot. So we brought in a home we call the Baguette. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath home produced out of our Fort Worth factory that has some really nice features that I want to show to you. We'll step up on the inside and I'll try and give you a look of what it's like. So one of the things that I do want to show you before we go in, if you look up, you'll see that there's a small gap at the edge of that roof line. That's what we call a mini eave, and what it does is it actually extends the roof line a bit beyond the edge of the roof. So you've got watershed that doesn't come down the side of the home nearly as much, and it protects your siding. So when we come into the home, the first thing you're going to see, this home is designed with a really nice open floor plan. You've got a very spacious front living room. Now in this home, all of the walls are done with the tape and texture sheetrock finishes in your primary areas. I'm going to go into a little bit more detail. But here in the kitchen, you've got a really nice set of cabinets. And in these cabinets, these are real wood cabinets here on your doors. And they are wood cabinet styles. They're finished on the interior. And one of the differences that we like to use is we use the European style hinges that are in these. So instead of having your hinges mounted on the outside of the cabinet, these European style hinges give you an additional strength, about 30% stronger than the exterior mounted hinges. And this little screw right there allows you to easily adjust the closure on the cabinets so you can adjust how they close. Another nice feature in this home is that it is presented with the stainless steel appliance package. That is a standard for this home. So you've got the stainless steel double door 25 cubic foot refrigerator from GE, the built-in GE microwave overhead, the smooth top cooktop, and we do have the option, if you want to go to a gas range, you can go to a gas range. And then you've also got the stainless steel dishwasher. Now they complement all of that with this really neat sink here in the island. This is an apron sink. Some people will call them the farm sinks, but they really do give you a very deep well so that you can have a lot of work area. And then the faucet is a pull-out faucet. Pull it out here. And then it's also got the spray deal, so you can turn it into a spray or a stream, which is really nice. Here in the living area, they've pre-installed a small entertainment center where you can put TV. It's already wired with the TV cable in there. That's an optional item. If you want to keep it, you can. If you want to take it out, you can, or you can move it to the adjacent wall. Now, one of the things I wanted to show you additionally in this home, when we build homes, we use, in our floor decking, we use oriented strand board. Now, the oriented strand board is a lumber product, and I want you to look at this. A lot of people say, well, gosh, is it as good as plywood? And doing the research on it, a lot of the industry, about 75% of the industry, is now using the oriented strand board. One of the things that's really cool is you'll see that little groove on the edge right there. I'll try and set this down where I can kind of demonstrate it to you. So on this edge, you'll see that this fits together kind of like a puzzle piece. And that tongue and groove is what makes your floor decking really sturdy. The green application here is waterproofing, so it protects the seams on your OSB floor decking. It does have about twice as much of shear strength as plywood, so it's actually a very, very durable product. When we go into the master suite or the primary bedroom back here, another thing I really like is the installation position of your central heat and air. The panel down here folds out so you can put your filters in without a lot of hassle. And it's a really good sized master suite primary bedroom. And cool thing is, it's actually got two closets. So you've got a walk-in closet here on this side, which gives you plenty of hanging space. It's done with the ventilated shelving. Another nice feature in this home is that the vents are overhead, so you got the freedom of furniture placement. You'll also see that it's wired and braced for ceiling fans, and that we use the LED recessed can lights in all of our lighting, so you've got a high efficiency lighting system. And then they've got a second closet here in the master bedroom that can be used as an additional wardrobe. Probably going to end up being the husband's closet, but it's kind of funny. So when you come back into the primary bathroom, it's featured with a dual China sink vanity. And then one of the things I think is really cool in here is this big 72-inch soaker tub. You don't get to see that a lot in some of these smaller homes, but they've engineered this home and designed it with a big 72-inch soaker tub, done with a really nice accent panel here and behind. You've got the, try and not be in the picture, but you got dual mirrors that are framed. And another really cool feature is the privacy commode. So this actually has the commode back in its own water closet. You'll notice that we use the elongated commodes rather than the little round pedestal commodes. And then it's got a 4-foot single-piece fiberglass shower that has the seats already installed in the corners. I think you can the glare's a little bad, but you can kind of see the seat there. But it gives you a really good place to come in, relax, and take one of those nice hot showers. Now, coming back up through the primary living area, you'll just see how nice this home opens up. Gives you plenty of space. And again, this would be a perfect home for somebody that doesn't need a whole lot of space, but still wants to have nicer features. Here in the utility room, we've done the overhead cabinets with a hanging rod in between. The trim up on top of the cabinets is really nice, nice finished touch. And then you do have a second bedroom and a guest bathroom here at the front of the home. So this is a split floor plan. You've got a full-size, a full-size tub shower combination. And again, this is all single-piece fiberglass. It's not the 3-piece plastic surround. This is all a good quality product with the elongated commodes and the squared China sinks that are in here. The faucets in here are a metal faucet. And then underneath all the sinks behind the commodes, you also have the shutoff valves. Now, one of the things you'll notice that's missing in this home is the presence of carpet. After a lot of discussion, a lot of customers have requested to move away from carpet for ease of maintenance. So we've done a continuous lay flooring in here that lets you have a really easy way to maintain and take care of the home. So this home is the Baguette. It's a 16 by 62 foot, 2-bedroom, 2-bath home. Would love to have you come out and take a tour when you have an opportunity. We're located at 1210 North Clack here in Abilene. If you'd like to give us a call and get a floor plan on this home or any of the others that we have available, you can give us a call at 325-480-0035. You can also see a lot more of our floor plans and a lot more information about the homes at our website, which is www.oakcreekabilene.com. This is Bill Wilkins at the Oak Creek Home Center. We'll be open 6 days a week, Monday through Saturday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. We have financing available. We have the ability to help you in your land search. We'll do everything we can to help you with the home. So come out and see us, drive by and take a look at what we've got. Hope that we can see you soon. Thanks so much for joining me today, and I hope you have a great afternoon.